Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont. And if you have a problem connecting a scanner to your OBD port, let's say your OBD port does not work guys, we're going to show you guys how to fix that. Now, we have this 2012 Dodge Journey guys, and as you know your OBD port is located under the dash. Okay, right here, that's where your connector is. Okay, trying to focus, yep, right there. I have the computer here and no matter what we do, it doesn't connect, it doesn't work. So we'll show you guys what the problem for that is now. Stay with us, we'll show you where the fuse is, how to get to it, how to remove it and how to replace it. In the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Now, we'll need to go to the passenger side of the vehicle and we'll need to locate the fuse box that's under the glove box. You will notice that our glove box is missing. This is because we removed it so we can gain a little bit more room, but you do not have to remove yours. So once you enter the vehicle, right here in the corner, that's where your glove box, fuse box will be located. This is your cover right here, pull it out, and that's where your fuses are now. And okay, once you guys remove that fuse, let me show you, once you remove the cover, let me show you now which fuse, guys, you need to check for that. And this one, you can see that they don't make absolutely no sense at all, the way they name them. You see 133, 124, 119, there is no logic at all. But if you go to 124, right here it says diagnostic port 10 amp. So this, guys, is the third fuse in this row. Third fuse, 10 amp fuse. So, one missing, two. This is our 10 amp fuse that we need to remove and replace. So I'll grab that fuse with the puller now. That puller is in your fuse box. Okay, and we pulled it out. I'll grab a new one now, quick. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and install it. And let's see now, I'm going to go ahead and get the key quick for the car. Okay, and see if we'll be able to connect the computer now. Hopefully it's going to work. Let me just grab the key because I forgot it. Okay, perfect. So, key is here. I have the ignition on, dash lights on, which means that now if I connect the scanner, okay, it's going to turn on. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.